Every startup faces its unique set of hurdles. But with the right strategies and a bit of grit, these challenges can be turned into stepping stones to success. So, what are these strategies? How can a startup navigate the turbulent waters of the business world and come out on top? First, having a clear and robust business plan is paramount. A business plan is more than just a document. It is the blueprint for your startup. It outlines your business goals, the strategies to achieve them, and the resources required. It also helps to attract investors and secure funding. Secondly, startups need to prioritize customer satisfaction. It's not just about having a great product or service. It's about delivering an exceptional customer experience that sets your startup apart. A satisfied customer is a loyal customer, and loyal customers can be your brand ambassadors. Next on the list is the importance of a strong team. A startup is only as good as its team. Hire individuals who are passionate about your vision, who are ready to wear multiple hats, and who can think outside the box. Remember, a diverse team can offer a myriad of perspectives and innovative solutions. Then, there's the crucial aspect of financial management. Proper budgeting, cost management, and financial forecasting can be the difference between the life and death of a startup. Seek professional help if needed, but never underestimate the power of a well-managed financial plan. Last but not least, never stop learning and adapting. The business landscape is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, startups must be willing to learn, adapt, and innovate. Now, to summarize the key takeaways from this discussion. Firstly, a robust business plan is your startup's blueprint to success. It helps outline goals, strategies, and resources required. Secondly, customer satisfaction should be the top priority. An exceptional customer experience sets your startup apart from the rest. Thirdly, a strong and diverse team is the backbone of any startup. Hiring individuals who are passionate and versatile can significantly enhance your startup's performance. Fourthly, effective financial management can make or break a startup. Proper budgeting, cost management, and financial forecasting are crucial. Lastly, a successful startup is one that never stops learning and adapting. The ability to learn, adapt, and innovate is pivotal in the ever-evolving business landscape. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. With the right strategies, a bit of grit, and a lot of determination, any startup can turn challenges into stepping stones to success. So, buckle up and embark on this exciting journey of entrepreneurship. The sky's the limit,